I will catch the bullet in my teeth. Yes, my teeth. To prove that these are indeed live rounds, if my sharpshooting assistant would be so kind as to shoot this bottle of Lalicola off my head.
This is insane.
Off my head? Careful. I could do without a bullet in the brain right now.
Okay. Oh my god.
Where did they find you?
That it always scares me. Now, observe as I, the great Benjamin Lazarus, will do what no man has ever done and cheat death as if it were nothing.
What is he doing?
Christ.
Let's do that again.
All right.
Take it.
You're pulling my leg. This is a bunch of dang balderdash.
We need another
A
act.
skeptic. I'm Benjamin Lazarus. I assure you, I am not participating in some hoax or carnival ruse. These bullets are 100% real. In fact, I challenge any member of the audience to come forward with their own firearm, and I will yet again display my uncanny skill to catch a bullet in my teeth. Is no
You got
one
no
man
talent.
enough?
All right, then.
Fantastic! Now, ladies and gentlemen, I will prove to you I am the greatest entertainer to ever live and the only man who laughs at death. Now, ready? Take aim
Whoa, not a fight is too much.
This is incredible.
and fire. Let's not keep the audience waiting.
Oh my god!
You were supposed to shoot near my
One in the
head.
gut.
You bloody idiot! I don't have teeth there. I'm not a Venus flytrap. That hurts. You absolute pillock! Son of all of you!
He's just fine. He is fine.
Worst
Please be
show
calm.
ever.
It's just entertainment anyway. Oh, wonderful. Yes, it's all like it's a bit like a lynching, only less American.
Awful.